Okay, guys, let's get started. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 14 years of practical IT experience. So, I have worked on various technologies, but SCCM and Intune have been my primary focus. So I completed my graduation from Mumbai University. I am a BSc IT graduate from Mumbai University. After completing my graduation, I started working as IT support professional in various organization wherein I worked in SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3 team, and now I am working as architect. Okay, so my primary roles and responsibility is to implement technologies. So I am designing and implementing technologies for organizations. Side by side, I am doing this freelance training, wherein I have trained more than 35,000 students globally. So I teach, I do classroom training, online training, offline training, corporate training, wherein I have trained more than 35,000 students globally. So I teach, I used to teach multiple technologies, but now I am focusing only on Intune and SCCM because I don't get time for other things because I'm involved in the project as well. Okay, so that's my, um, that's about me, guys. Now let's talk about the course duration and the timing. Okay, so this course is uh, the duration of this training is for 30 days. So 30 session we will do, 30 sessions. Okay, we will do 30 sessions in total. So 30 hours or 35, maximum 32 hours or maximum 35 hours we will do the session. Okay, so 30 days we will do the training. So we will do the training on daily basis, daily 1 hour session, 1 hour, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday for India. Elvin, for you it is gonna be Sunday to Thursday because
Okay,
you are
yeah, that
in,
makes sense. US, yeah.
yeah, you are in US. So that's gonna be Sunday to Thursday for you, Elvin. So Monday to Friday, India time. What time? 8 a.m. IST. 8 a.m. India time. So Elvin, it's gonna be 10:30, right? EST. Are you in EST? Which time zone you
Yeah,
are in?
yeah, Eastern time. Yeah, you're right. Absolutely.
Eastern time. But
Yeah,
it will, I think in November, it is
mhm.
gonna change. The daylight saving is uh, gonna turn on, right?
Yeah, it will turn on. So I'll be working towards that, check the timing with India and Americans, then I can update my timing as well.
Okay, so then
Mhm.
it is gonna be 9:30 for you, 9:30 p.m. EST. Okay, so that's gonna
Yeah,
be 8 a.m. India time. Okay, so
yeah.
we will do the training at 8 a.m. 1 minute. What happened to this pen? Hmm. So 8 a.m. we'll do the session daily. 8 to 9 a.m. IST. I'm talking about IST, guys. You can convert your time accordingly, where as per your region. So Monday to Friday, daily basis, we will do 1 hour session, 8 to 9 for 30 days. Okay, that's the duration of this training. Now, all the sessions will get recorded. Okay, so you will have recording after each session. Okay, then we will do theory plus practical. So you need to set up your lab environment. I will guide you how to set up your lab, and we will do theory plus practical. Okay. Then you will get um, dumps after the session. You will get materials, the study materials. Okay. and then you will get resume, the sample resume, plus interview question and answer. Interview question and answers, and um, exam guidance. So I'll guide you for the exam as well. So the exam code is MD102. Microsoft exam is there. If you would like to take this exam, you can take it. I would suggest you take it after the training. I will guide you how to take the exam. Okay. So, and you will get course completion certificate. Course completion certificate. Okay. These are the things I'm going to provide you during the training. Okay. Now let's talk about Intune. What is this product? So it's Microsoft Intune, or you can call it as Intune directly. So now this product is a Microsoft product. Microsoft has developed this product when in the year 2010. So in the year 2010, this product came into the market. Okay. And people started using this product, but this product was still in immature phase at that point of time. So it took like 5 years to get this product little matured, and people started using it on a wider scale. But it was moving slowly. Um, Previously, we had many um third-party vendors who were leading the market, like AirWatch, then BlackBerry, Zen Mobile, then there were various MDM platforms. They were leading the market. But after COVID-19, what happened? Intune is moving like a monster now, because most of the Windows devices, most of the Windows users, almost like 50 or 60% of Windows users, they are working from home. They are working from not in the office premises, right? So in order to manage those devices, it was a challenge. Previously, we were focusing on mobile devices. So Intune, what is the main feature of Intune? Intune is basically a mobile device management solution and a mobile application management solution. MDM and MAM, mobile device management and mobile application management. What all operating system you can manage from Intune? You can manage Android operating system. You can manage iOS operating system, iPad. Then you can manage MacBooks. Then you can manage Windows 10 and 11. And then you can manage Linux operating system. So these are the operating systems which Intune support. The most the widely used feature is this one. So Intune is basically managing Windows 10 and Windows 11, because most of the organizations are using Windows devices, right? So because of this, Windows 10 and Windows 11 and Linux, Intune is leading the market. Plus, it also supports mobile device management like Android, iOS, iPad, Mac. So the other MDM solution, what we had in the market before, like BlackBerry and AirWatch or Zen Mobile, they were focusing only on these platforms. But Intune focused on both the platforms, Windows devices plus the actual mobile devices. That's the reason Intune is leading in the market. Now, the other uh, vendors, which are like BlackBerry or Zen Mobile or Mobile Ion or Goods or Tanium, AirWatch. These are third party, I mean, different MDM solutions from different platform, I mean, different vendor. But Microsoft Intune is giant in front of these tiny competitors. Microsoft Intune is like on the top now. Previously, it was not on the top, but after COVID-19, this is moving like a monster. Everybody is using in Intune. Whether you go in US, Canada, Australia, European countries, Gulf countries, Asian countries, you will find Intune. That's the reason you have good number of vacancies, good number of opportunities all over the places. So Intune is giant in front of these tiny competitors. Okay? Now it manages mobile devices plus mobile applications. Like for example, Office 365 application. Okay, this is just an example. So there are various applications which Intune manages. Now, so Intune is basically a mobile device management and mobile application management. You can manage mobile devices and you can manage mobile application from Intune portal. Now, why do we need to manage mobile devices? Suppose this is your laptop and this is a mobile phone. Now, let's say you joined one organization called ABC Private Limited. ABC Private Limited. This is an organization name. Now you join organization. What you have received? You received this laptop. Okay. Organization has given you this laptop and this mobile. Okay. Now this laptop and mobile, why they have given you this laptop and mobile? To access company data. Company data. You can access email, you can access websites, you can access documents, company related documents. You can log into the laptop from, outside as well, from home as well. You can work from home. So office data is present in this laptop. Similarly, company data is present here in this mobile as well. So we have to make sure the devices are secured. Okay. Wherever the device is secured, the data is secured. So Intune, what we do, we will enroll these devices into Intune. So this device will be enrolled into Intune. This device will be enrolled into Intune so that this Intune is going to take care of these devices. It will create this, it will deploy the security policies. It will deploy the policies, right? It will deploy applications. It will deploy configuration. Okay. It will deploy um, update policy. Okay, etc. So there are various things which Intune is gonna deploy on these devices to protect these. It is gonna protect the device. It's gonna protect the data of the device. The device will also be protected. The data will also be protected. Okay. For example, if you lost this device, let's say you lost this device, either mobile device or laptop or both of them. What will you do? You will simply call help desk, and the help desk is gonna route the request to Intune team. Intune team is gonna wipe this device, factory reset this device, so that all the company data will be erased. It will be like factory reset. Okay, device will get factory reset, so data will be get erased. Got it? So, or you need application. For example, you need Google Chrome here. Okay, and Google Chrome here. So you will call help desk and it is gonna send application to these devices, right? Now let's assume that you have like hundreds or thousands of devices. Let's say 5,000 devices are there. Now we need either one application or multiple applications. Okay, let's say we need one application called Office 365. Office 365 application is needed on all these machines. Plus we need antivirus, semantic antivirus. So from Intune portal, since all these devices are already enrolled into Intune, we will send application to all these devices, right? and the application will get installed, Semantic and Office 365. Let's say I have to disable um, some feature. Let's say I need to disable Gmail. So user should not access Gmail on their computers, on these 5,000 machines, right? So I'll create a policy and deploy the policy from Intune portal. So Gmail will get disabled. Suppose I need to disable YouTube, right? User should not go to YouTube. So I'll create a policy and then apply the policy. User will not be able to go to YouTube. Okay. So there are various things which you can do. So you will have complete control of the devices in your hand. So you can deploy application, you can deploy policies, you can deploy updates, configuration, various things. Now, why you should learn Intune? Why Intune? Why not AirWatch? Why not BlackBerry? Why not Zen Mobile? Okay. Now, point number one, it's a matured product because it's there in the market for the past 14 years now. It's a matured product. And because of that, you have resource availability. Resource availability. So wherever you suppose if you are stuck somewhere, you are facing some challenges or issues, or you need to know about something, you just Google it out and you will get instruction on various websites. There are n number of websites which is gonna give you the instruction, information or issues, resolution. So resources are available. If it's a new product, then resources are not available. Okay, it's a matured product. Resource availability. Point number three is it's present in almost all big and medium size organization. You may not find in small organization, but if you are um, working in big organization or medium organization, you will find Intune. Intune is everywhere. Okay, in almost all big size and medium size organization, and because of that, you have good vacancies. So after completing the training, if you are looking for Intune opportunities, you just have to upload your resume on various job portals, leading job portals, and you should definitely start getting calls. But you will have to attend for the interviews, at least attend 5, 6 interviews. You will definitely get selected in any one of them. But you will have to complete the training properly. Don't miss any training session and complete all the assignment. You will what assignment you will get. Now, good salary. Now, salary wise, it is gonna be 50 USD per hour. Elvin, around $50 per hour average salary. Those who are in US and Canada and Australia and European countries. For India, average salary 8 lakh per year. But you need minimum 3 years of experience for this. Okay, 8 lakh per year average salary. Good salary, good vacancies. Point number 6 is no programming languages. You don't need to learn Python or C, C++ or coding languages. No programming languages. You don't have to learn all those programming languages, guys. Point number 7, good future. Because the way Microsoft is adding features day by day in Intune, so they are not stopping here. They are every month they are adding more and more feature in that one. So they are trying to make this product better and better. So you can keep yourself associated with this one and you can make your career in this one. Okay, so good future. No programming languages required. Um, Resources available. It's a matured product. Okay. Point number 8 is l less competitors. Less number of competitors. So competitors are very tiny. Intune is way ahead from those competitors. Almost like 40% market share Intune. So out of like 100 organization in 40 organization, you will find Intune. And in other 60 organization, some organizations will have BlackBerry, some will have AirWatch, some will have, Zen Mobile, some will have others. So it's a big number. So these are the reasons why you should learn Intune, guys. Now, after this training, if you would like to take exam, then the exam code is MD102. It's a Microsoft exam which you can take, and then you will become Endpoint Administrator certified. The cost of this exam is around 165 US dollar. Those who are in US, okay? And those who are in India, it is around 4,800 Indian rupees. 4,800. INR. Okay, you need to score 700 out of 1,000 to pass the exam. You need to score 700 out of 1,000 to pass this exam. Okay, so that was the exam. Now lab setup. Each one of you will have to have a Intune lab. You need to set up your lab. I will guide you step by step how to create your lab. So you need to have a computer, a Windows computer. Okay, either a laptop or a desktop. So on that computer, what is the configuration needed on that computer? The configuration is minimum. That's the minimum configuration. Minimum configuration, you need to have 6 GB RAM. Then you need to have 4 core processor. Then you need to have 100 GB hard disk space, free hard disk space. That's the minimum requirement. If you have this, then you will be able to set up your Intune lab on this one. You also need to have a mobile phone. Okay, you need to have mobile phone, and that's gonna be Android or iOS. Okay, then you also need to have credit card. These are the things which are needed to complete, I mean, to do the practical lab. The minimum configuration, 6 GB RAM, quad-core processor, 100 GB free hard disk space. You need to have Android, iOS device, and a credit card. Okay, now Intune is what? Intune is a SaaS product. Intune is a SaaS product. SaaS means, what do you mean by SaaS? Software as a service.
Perfect. Yeah.
Software as a service. That means this software is given by somebody else. You just take the subscription and you start working on that. Okay, so we have SaaS, then PaaS, platform as a service, then infrastructure as a service. There are various um, services, but Intune is like Gmail. In order to receive emails, you just create your subscription and you are all good. Everything is designed by Google in the backend. Similarly, everything is designed by Microsoft in the backend for Intune. You take the subscription and you are good to go. So Intune architecture. Intune architecture is designed on which platform? In
Microsoft.
Azure platform,
Yeah.
Microsoft Azure platform. Now it is done, all these configurations are done by Microsoft in the backend. You don't have to do anything. You just take the subscription. Okay, as you said, as I said, it's a SaaS product. Okay. Now, when you create your subscription, you get web console. Okay. Whatever the changes you make, your changes and configuration is recorded and it is passed to Graph API. Graph API is the one which is taking your information in Intune suite in the backend. This is the communication bridge between you and the Graph and the Intune services in the backend. So it is gonna take your configuration and send it to the Intune services in the backend. Now, if you have to make some configure device, it's gonna configure the device here. If you have to protect data, then it is gonna come here. If you have to manage application, it's gonna come here. Now, Intune also has synchronization with various products like Microsoft Azure AD. I mean, Microsoft Intra ID, sorry. It has a synchronization with that one. Integration, basically. SCCM, you can integrate SCCM with co-management. Then you can integrate, manage Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Okay. You can manage um, mobile device management, Windows, Mac OS, Android, Linux, iOS, iPad. So you can manage these operating systems. You can also deploy Windows updates. Okay, so these all are done on Microsoft Azure platform in the backend. Okay, all done by Microsoft itself. You don't have to design anything here. You just take the subscription and then you start managing your devices. Now, Intune is not free product. It's a licensed one. So you need to have license. Intune license. It will cost you $8 per user per month. $8 per user per month. So you have to take Microsoft Intune license, and the license type is Microsoft Intune Plan 1, Microsoft Intune Plan 2, Microsoft Intune Suite, Microsoft Intune for Education. There are various options available, but we will go with this one. Generally, everybody is using this one in production. Okay. So the we'll get the free trial for 30 days. Okay.
Sir, I have a question here. When I tried to buy a trial version, it was asking the GST number. Does it require?
Not GST number. It was asking for the PAN card number.
I have given the PAN card already.
Why it will need GST? I don't think so.
Okay, okay. Let's go. I'll ask this question when we reach to the session point.
When did you create the account?
It's just 2 days back.
Oh, 2 days back. Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe they have made some changes in two
yeah, I
days.
saw something. Yes, yes.
Okay. Because like one week before, I asked 10 of my students to create their Intune account. They did not, it was not asking any GST number. It was asking PAN card number for Indian students. For outsiders like US and Canada, Australia, it's not asking any PAN number or any tax number. You just give your credit card and you are good to go. But I think as you are saying, it is asking, so maybe it has added some in the backend.
Restrictions. Mhm.
Yeah. But a GST, everybody will not have GST.
Yeah,
GST,
yeah, that is where I'm concerning.
Hmm. Okay, we'll see. Okay,
Okay.
we'll take a
Yeah.
look. Okay, guys. So any question you guys have, let me know so that we can discuss about the questions.
Yeah, no, it's not really a question. So, yeah, I would just need like the direct link for me to set up an account with a Microsoft Intune. That way I can get started or get situated.
Yeah, I'll share the link. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
So we will create the account as we go along. Any other question from anyone?
I was just curious about like when the device is lost, as you mentioned, the data will be erased from the backend. How exactly is it remove the contents which holding under the work profile, or how exactly? So,
Okay. So basically this question should come later on, but that's okay. So suppose this is a BYOD device, bring your own device. Okay. So in BYOD, what happens? It creates a two layer. First layer is going to be personal.
yeah,
Okay. Second one, work profile. Okay. So suppose this device is lost, right? The guy who is using this device, for example, James will call help desk. Okay. The help desk guy will raise a request and assign it to the Intune team. Okay. Or the help desk guy, if they have permission, they can also do it from their end. So they will erase the data from Intune portal. So they will initiate what? They cannot do wipe because it's a personal device. They will retire this device. Will they do? Retire.
okay,
Retire means the device will only delete this one.
okay, okay,
It's gonna be deleted. This will be gone. Now this is the BYOD kind of scenario. Now if it's a corporate device, okay, let's say corporate device. Now when they will do what? Wipe, since it's lost already, right? So they will
okay,
do wipe. So
understood,
everything will get deleted.
understood. So in the personal device only, they will remove the connectivity between the device and
Yeah, they cannot delete personal data
understood,
in
understood. Yes.
personal device. Asrita, any question from your side?
No, sir.
Okay, so my contact number is this one, guys. The same WhatsApp number 989-235-4331. Now, those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, today was the demo session. I just wanted everyone to understand how the training will get conducted. And I have already shared the course content with you guys. If you have not received, you can ask me. I'll send that to you again. So that's my number, guys. Those who would like to continue from tomorrow, you can send me. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow, I am traveling, so we will not have class tomorrow. You can send me a WhatsApp message or call me that you would like to continue. Then I will give you the enrollment details.
Okay.
Basically, you have to make payment to attend the session, guys. Okay.
So shall I use the credit card for the payment?
You are in India, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, no. If you are outside, then you can use credit card.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
No
So
problem. Okay.
credit
Yeah.
card I don't accept. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to use I mean, you need to call me or send me a WhatsApp message that you are interested to continue the class from day after tomorrow. So we are starting the class tomorrow. We don't have any class. I'm traveling tomorrow. So we'll starting the class from 30th now. Okay, 30th of October. 30th October, Elvin, that is gonna be 29th of October for you.
Yeah, that's Tuesday. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll get in touch with you via WhatsApp or immediately maybe after this session. Yeah, just get the details
Mm,
that way I can get enrolled.
yeah. Okay, so if you are interested, you can let me know. Um, how
Yeah,
would you
because
like
if
to
I have
proceed?
a small
Mm,
concern here, actually my shift is I'm currently supporting for the Singapore team, and my shift will be from 6 to 3. This week I am in the second shift, but next entire 3 week, due to the shortage in team, I have to support in morning itself 6 to 3. Like I will go with your recordings, and is there like if you're okay, I will ask my questions directly through WhatsApp. Is that okay?
yeah, that's okay. That's not a problem. You can
Okay.
ask your manager if you can to change your shift. You can like swap your
Right
shift with somebody.
now, the situation is around five people put paper. Team is very difficult condition. So the team is expecting me to be in the shift.
Okay,
So
fine.
I'll try
That's
to manage, but might be I
mm,
can't do the, like labs and all when I can't, carry my personal laptop to the office. So I'll try to join the class. I'll see the class, but I can do the labs with the recordings only.
okay.
If you don't mind, I'll just ping you on WhatsApp if I have any questions, or else
Mm-hmm.
I'll can't. I might come up with the questions on the next live class if I get a time in the in my work duration.
Okay. Okay, guys. Any other question from anyone before we wrap it up?
Yeah, I think no question on my end.
Okay, guys. So we'll meet day after tomorrow. Okay. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you,
Thank you so
thank you.
much.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.